Exercise 9.1, question number 12. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Here, this is 7-meter high building. From here, this is top of the tower and this angle is given as 60 degree and this angle is 45 degree. So this angle will also be 45 degree. This height will also be 7 meter and suppose this is H and this is X. Now in triangle AED, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. So perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. So here perpendicular is 7 and base is X equal to tan 45 degree. So we know that tan 45 degree is 1. So 7 upon X is 1, which gives X equal to 7 meter. So we have got this X as 7 meter. So this will also be 7 meter. So AC will be 7 meter because it is equivalent to ED. So now we consider this triangle ACB. In the triangle ACB, again perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. So perpendicular is BC, which is H divided by base is 7 equal to tan 60 degree, and we know that tan 60 is root 3. So we get H equal to 7 root 3 meter. Now we have to find out the height of the cable tower, and cable tower is DB. So DB equal to CD plus CB. So CD is 7 and this is 7 root 3. So if we take common 7, we will be left with 1 plus root 3 meter, which is our answer. Question 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Here, these are the positions of the two ships A and C. Suppose their separation is X and angles are 30 degree and 45 degree. Since observer is here, so we will make angles 30 degree and 45 degree here also. Now this will be angle of depression. Here suppose CB is X, suppose CB is Y. Now in triangle DBC, perpendicular upon base equal to tan theta. So perpendicular is DB, which is 75 divided by base is Y equal to tan 45 degree. But tan 45 is 1, so we will get Y equal to 75 meter. Here we have considered triangle DBC. Now, in the triangle ADB, perpendicular upon base will be tan theta. So perpendicular is 75 divided by base is x plus y equal to tan, this angle is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree. And we know that tan 30 degree equal to 1 upon root 3. So we can write 75 divided by x plus y equal to 1 upon root 3. We make cross multiplication. So we will get x plus y equal to 75 root 3. Our purpose is to get this distance x. So we can shift this y to RHS. So x will be 75 root 3 minus y. But we have got the value of y as 75. So we put this value here. So 75 root 3 minus 75. So we get x equal to 75 and inside the bracket root 3 minus 1, which is our answer. Thank you.